always joke about it. I remember you walk into a game just wearing the same Pelicans gear that they give you. Other people always come up like it's fashion, it's that kind of thing. With the new contract and the time off, did you go treat yourself at all?
Nothing changed. Nothing changed.
Why not?
I mean, if my family is good, I'm cool. I know I probably said that the last time they asked about it, but I don't really care about what anybody says about clothes. So, like, it's kind of, especially going to a basketball game, you probably keep you. I mean, no, I get it, to each his own. But it was just never instilled to dress up to go to a basketball game. And I was always a guy to, we just need to get to the gym because, I mean, you're putting your uniform on 5 minutes into the, once you get in the locker room. So, but I get it though.